quick demo for you to understand how it can be done. Yeah. I'm going back to the presentation now. Okay, I'll take any questions if there are any questions before we move forward. No, these are not the web design sites. There is a question from Tanmay. Tanmay, these are not the web design sites. This is like a hybrid application built on a platform called No Code, where the platform offers you some kind of an functionalities within itself. So using those functionalities and some kind of predefined templates, you can build up applications for your own. And that is where we also work with entrepreneurs to help. And we also create a lot of web applications which are very focused to their needs. We customize them, we help them, and we do a lot of designs for that. Yes, it can also work like an ERP, and it can be done to a very great extent. It can be a CRM. Depending on whatever is your need, we can structure it and we can take it into a next level. Yeah, that is the demo. Any other questions? Yeah, my name is Mani Lakaraju, and the technology name that we are using, the platform name is AppSheet, which is now part of Google Cloud. So we are regional partners for AppSheet, and we help entrepreneurs get knowledge about AppSheet and help them in building the business. Okay, we move on. I would like to just share this slide. Typically, for a no-code solution, this is how the difference looks like. Let us say we want to go online in whichever the format. We have a plan and we work for 3 to 6 months, including the salaries and all the details. We are looking at some amount of, in a traditional approach, the total expense can go until 10 lakhs. The same, we can achieve the same thing with a no code less than 90,000. So this is what the value addition we bring, and this is what we already do. And there are a lot of solutions that are available. We have already come up with something called as Collab Studios, which is collaboration studios, which are pre-built applications for any user to, or any entrepreneur to quickly configure their applications in 3 to 5 days max, right? And yeah, so this is the basic difference, and this is the value add from a no-code solution. And what we essentially do as a partners for no code, we also support. This is typically how the no code AppSheet platform is. So you have a layer where you can have all your data in the existing cloud, and using that cloud, the applications can be customized in a very short span, and it can work very fast. And it is proven to work on all platforms. Once you build an application, it has its own client, so it can deploy itself on an Android, it can deploy itself on an iPhone, it can work on a tablet, it can work on a desktop, it can work on a smartphone, and it can actually work very efficiently with all the kinds of Android version of smartphones. So typically when you look at building an application and you look at your team or your field force, everyone is now using smartphones. So all of them can still have this application installed, which is of your company, and can start accessing or doing all the activities that are required for your business. That's it. Thanks for the listening patiently. Any questions before I hand it over to Divaspati sir for the next topics on the session? Yes, data is saved on Google Drive. Yes, definitely. If your data, this is a question from Karthik Naik saying if the data, if the business already gone digital, also follow what can be discussed, how overcome the situation of pandemic. To answer the question, I'll answer the question partly, and I also ask Divaspati sir to answer the question partly. See, what we are trying to bring here with this session is like awareness of how entrepreneurs can take the situation more as a positive outcome and try to build these kind of use these kind of tools to build better solutions for their business and try to be prepared for the opportunities that are lined up post the COVID outcome. Yeah, hope I answered your question partially. Divaspati sir, you would like to answer the question again? Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
There's a question from Karthik. He's asking his business has gone online as well as he follows simple techniques. So what is the advantage from COVID or post-COVID? So I responded to part of it. You can respond to the other part.